Jasper AI, text to art is the future? Tired of using the same old stock photos and illustrations? Jasper Art is an artificial intelligence image generator that could be the solution to your problems. It transforms simple words and phrases into stunning images. It's quick and simple to use, and it can generate images in any style you want. So, are robots threatening the illustration industry? We will walk you through Jasper's art in this video. But before we begin, subscribe to our channel to always take advantage of more videos like this. Here we begin! Jasper Art is an artificial intelligence image generator. That is, it generates images using artificial intelligence. You add some keywords and phrases, and the Jasper Art bot transforms the words into stunning images. Many writers have probably heard of Jasper AI, the writing assistant. That program generates copywriting using artificial intelligence. It is intended for use with blogs, websites, and marketing materials. Jasper Art is Jasper AI's artistic sibling. It's an artificial intelligence bot that generates images rather than text. Jasper Art can create stunning images with just a few words and modifiers. We go over how to use the program in greater detail. However, Jasper's art can imitate a variety of artistic styles. It can also imitate the style of specific artists. Who should make use of Jasper Art? Jasper Art is for people who require content quickly. Content reigns supreme in the world of online commerce. To sell products or promote brands, you need attention-grabbing content, and having good images is essential for beating the competition. Numerous websites offer high-quality stock images. However, the online marketplace is extremely competitive, and other content creators get their images from the same sites. That means you'll use your uniqueness. This could have an impact on your SEO score and Google ranking. Jasper Art provides you with one-of-a-kind images to use for original content. You can generate AR art from any keywords, implying that you have created something unique. You can also customize each generated image to match your content. And because there are so many variables, your competitors are unlikely to look for the same thing. You don't have to use the same old stock images. Features of Jasper Art. Jasper Art is a one-time use program. It employs artificial intelligence to generate images from text prompts. That is the primary feature. However, Jasper Art has two modes to generating images. First is the basic mode. This mode provides drop boxes for selecting styles and mediums. And the freeform mode. This allows you to free type more specific and unique images. The interface. Jasper Art has a simpler user interface. You can generate AI art in two modes, basic and freeform. In basic mode, all options are accessible via drop-down menus. In addition, freeform mode includes a text box for typing prompts. When you click Create, Jasper displays 4 AI images for you. You can enlarge each one individually to get a better look. You can also copy or download them. You can also choose whether you like or dislike the results. This provides feedback to the program. You can also flag images if they are inappropriate. Jasper Art creates images quickly. After clicking Create, you'll have 4 eye-catching images in seconds. Basic mode. Jasper's basic mode is the simplest way to generate AI art. You begin with a simple image description. In the text box, Jasper limits you to 400 characters. In basic mode, that's more than enough. It is best to keep things simple. Make your description as detailed as possible. For example, enter the names of specific animals or objects. However, group nouns are acceptable as well. For example, if you type in fruit, you'll get a list of options. You don't have to type apples, oranges, kiwis, and so on. You can also use famous people and characters as your subject. Famous actors, as previously stated, are no problem for Jasper Art. Jasper employs artificial intelligence technology to create images that resemble that person. Artist style. Your next set of options is artist style. You can only select from 8 different artist styles. Big names like Pablo Picasso and Andy Warhol are among them. You also have alternative options such as South Park and Pixar styles. Style and medium. Basic mode provides more image creation prompts. Style is the next input. You are presented with a drop-down menu of style options from which to select. There are 13 different styles to choose from. 3D rendering, Art Deco, Retro, and Pixel Art are among them. Medium is the next option. Jasper AI provides you with 15 media options. You can choose a wood panel, a mixed media collage, or a modern oil painting. You can also use charcoal, crayon, or traditional oil. Freeform mode. Freeform mode allows you to be more creative with your input to the Jasper AI tool. There are no menu options. You only have the text box for the image description. You have 400 characters to type into the box. You should begin with a specific subject, as you did with the text box in basic mode. For example, it could be an object, an animal, or a well-known person or character. You can then type additional words to indicate the style of picture you want. For example, type their names if you want something in the style of Pablo Picasso or Salvador Dali. You can also include moods such as energetic, angry, or sad. Moods and keywords. You can choose a mood for the images using the AI art generator. There are 19 moods to choose from, ranging from happy to aggressive to dull. You can also choose between calm, dark, and energetic. This allows you to create unique images that correspond to the style of the content you produce. The final drop-down list allows you to select keywords. In basic mode, Jasper AI only provides you with 9 keywords to choose from. They also share the style and medium options. Photorealistic, full-face portrait, and flat lighting are among them. Jasper Art is also capable of producing realistic images. When you combine a pencil sketch, a medium, with the word realistic, you get an impressive AI image. For example, Jasper Art generated our pencil sketch portrait of George Foreman. Unfortunately, the resemblance didn't perfect. Basic mode tips. In basic mode, we discovered that less is more. Aside from the main image description, the basic AI image generator provides 5 input options. However, you are not required to fill out every box. Some can be left as none. We recommend making a few choices and leaving a few blanks. The more you give Jasper Art, the less information you receive from the AI tool. When you fill every box, the results become more muddled and less distinct. There's too much data, and the AI, an image generation tool, can't keep up. We gave Jasper Art something simple with a rat on a boat description. However, we overloaded the program with terms like style, medium, and mood. The outcomes could have been clearer and more impressive. Image uses and legal restrictions. You can make images with Jasper Art, but can you use these images for commercial purposes? The straightforward answer is yes! You can use a Jasper Art image in your blog or company marketing materials. They can even be used in advertisements. However, using Jasper Art images is not without complications. Images made with Jasper Art are licensed under a Creative Commons license. This means that the person who creates them does not own the rights to them. Others can then make use of them as they see fit. Furthermore, Jasper Art generates images based on information found online. It actively imitates the style of well-known artists. That means there's a chance an image will violate the copyright of another artist or image. Jasper Art access and pricing. Jasper Art is a new branch of AI writing assistant Jasper. However, Jasper Art images are not free, even if you have a writing account. Image generation is a separate branch of Jasper's AI business. Therefore, even if you have an account, you must purchase a new subscription for Jasper Art. Jasper Art is inexpensive. It costs $20 per month per user in addition to your Jasper AI subscription. Furthermore, it makes no difference how many images you generate. One subscription provides the user with unlimited images. You can make images whenever you want with no financial consequences. Some users may be put off by the paywall. However, if you can't stretch your budget, unlimited image generation is a good value for $20. What do you think about the text-to-art feature of Jasper AI? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more.